Welcome. In this video, we're diving into Parasoft Jtest, the ultimate tool for Java developers aiming to elevate their code quality and streamline testing. Jtest integrates seamlessly into your development workflow, providing everything from static analysis and runtime error detection to automated unit testing. It helps you catch bugs early, improve security, and meet compliance standards like OWASP and CWE, all while enhancing your productivity. In this video, we'll focus on how Jtest static analysis capabilities can help you identify issues before they impact production. Let's begin. To start, I will cover rule sets. To view or select a rule set for your static analysis executions, open the test configurations. Select a set that fits your needs or create a custom set of rules if one is not a match. We offer a variety of built-in rule sets, from our recommended rules that focus on code quality and major security issues to compliance configurations designed to help teams develop applications compliant with standards like CWE, OWASP, and more. To view a rule set in more detail, simply right-click the test configuration and select View. This will open a browser tab showing which rules are enabled, and if the set is user created, you will actually be able to enable or disable rules. Additionally, users can view details on each available rule along with examples and education. Once you've identified the set that fits your project, simply go to the set, right-click, set as active so you can use it with live static analysis, or add to favorites for easy access. Now let's take a look at how to run a static analysis. There are three options to run a static analysis from the IDE. To start, they all involve selecting what you're going to analyze, which can either be anything from the class level or all the way up to the project level. And then either clicking the Run button, right-clicking the object you want to analyze, navigating down to Static Analysis, and then selecting the rule set. Or if you wish to run a static analysis while you code, enable live static analysis, and now whenever you make a change to a class, Jtest will automatically run a static analysis of the active rule set on the class entirely in the background, so the developer can continue coding. After an execution, if there are any findings, we can review them in the findings view. If we right-click, we will see a link to the documentation, which contains a description of the finding, examples of both the issue and repaired code, and education to better understand the exception. Additionally, with our LLM integration, Jtest can generate fixes. Under the documentation option, you will find a Generate Suggested Fix option. This will open a window where an analysis of the code and rule will begin along with the diagnosis of the violation and a suggested fix for the violation. Users can either copy the entire suggested code or portions of it to fix the violation manually, or click Apply Fix to have Jtest automatically update the code with the fix. This can help teams remediate static analysis findings faster, enabling teams to reduce their backlog of unaddressed SAS violations. Thank you for joining us for this look into Parasoft Jtest's powerful static analysis capabilities. We hope this overview has given you insight on how Jtest can help streamline your Java development process, improve code quality, and accelerate your journey to secure, compliant, and reliable software. Be sure to check out our additional resources or reach out if you have any questions.